they understand how to use fame and celebrity to make more money. P.T. Barnum, Jack LaLanne.
All right, you're taking a quick look. Now I'm joined by Clint Arthur and Ali Savage, also known as
Nova. This is Ali Savage's alter ego, actually.
Okay.
Ali Savage is the producer of the film, but this is her alter ego.
Embodied in the dog Nova. Celebrity Entrepreneur is the name of the documentary, and it premieres at Amdocs, the film festival in Palm Springs. So we got a little taste of it. Folks who leverage celebrity to make a little money.
Right. This is about making dreams come true. And this documentary follows our adventures helping experts of every different kind to become celebrities in the eyes of customers and prospects. Not that they're going to be George Clooney. Like, for example, I'm like the most famous guy in the world that nobody's ever heard of, right?
No.
I'm almost like the president of the chess club. To a select group of nerds, I'm king of Zamunda. But to the rest of the world, I'm just some middle-aged guy in a pig tie. That's me.
All right, as a dog lover, I need to find out more about Nova's role in the movie.
Nova is our service dog, and she comes with us everywhere we go. So Nova appeared in the documentary, and there's a great tradition of involving animals in films. Every good movie has animals in it, and I especially love going on TV with animals, and TV loves animals.
So give me the idea behind the doc itself. What made you want to put this together and bring it to the film festival?
This is my 107th television appearance, okay? And when I was pursuing the Hollywood dream for 13 years, I couldn't get arrested except for a DUI, okay? And what I really wanted to do was to become a famous filmmaker and movie star like my idol Spike Lee, but my drinking and my drug use got in the way. And
as it can.
Yeah. Now, when I went on the Today Show a little over 5 years ago, Brooke Shields interviewed me, and the next day I woke up and I said to my wife, "Honey, I think I'm ready to quit drinking." And I've been clean and sober ever since then, and amazing things happen when you become clean and sober, like producing a documentary and having it get into 6 film festivals. This is the world premiere at Amdocs this weekend on Sunday night, and we're really excited about that. And it's helping me to have my dream come true. It's helping Nova. Is your dream to come true? Is this your dream too? Yes, Daddy, this is my dream coming true. And our goal is to help all of our clients, many of whom are experts, authors, speakers, coaches, to help make their dreams come true, to have more impact and influence in the world. That's what television is about. That's what this documentary is really all about.
And it makes its premiere right here at the Amdocs Film Festival. You go behind the scenes with Clint Arthur, and you're going to meet extraordinary business people and experts. It happens Sunday the 31st, 6:30, and then again there's another showing Thursday, April the 4th at 4:30, both at the Camelot Theaters. So go check it out and support the Amdocs Film Festival. It's a great event. Teddy Gruya and his team do such a great job. Clint, thanks for coming on the program.
So great to be here.
And best of luck.
To dream the impossible dream.